The Beyond Regulation project is about working with our farmers, working with our scientists and our community and bringing it all together. The landscape links together everything we do, so we spend a lot of focus on farm systems, but there's not a lot of work around our landscape.
Most farmers probably been thinking ETS, greenhouse gas emissions, comes from a cow or comes from livestock, and the CO2 comes from diesel, petrol emissions. But we've never really considered the soil, the moisture of the soil, the properties of the soil.
Mother Nature may be responsible for at least twice the spatial variation in water quality and soil greenhouse gases than land use on its own. The way we're trying to get better control over the variability we see in soil is through using satellite information. So part of what we're trying to do is draw out some of the variability that farmers already recognise on their farm, because it's that variability on their farm which could make a world of difference in terms of their management response and, as a result, the environmental outcomes.
The funding from this project came from the AgMart Food and Fibre Challenge Aotearoa, which will allow us to expand the work we do, will be relevant in Southland and it will probably have national significance. Science that actually makes a difference, and part of the rollout will be looking at 3 case studies in the catchment, a sheep and beef and a dairy farm, looking across the Mataura about all the different opportunities that we've got around mitigation.
Farm management can have a real impact on reducing those greenhouse gas emissions if we can understand our landscape. From a farmer's perspective, it's very difficult to mitigate losses just from the livestock portion of greenhouse gases